In today's video, I will walk you through how to log in to Zoom meetings. If you've been invited to a Zoom meeting, you'll usually receive one of two things from the meeting host. You may get a meeting ID or a personal link name, or you may receive a direct meeting link. In this tutorial, I'll show you both ways so you can join your meeting quickly. Let's begin from your Zoom workspace. This is the Zoom app or the Zoom web interface where you normally see the main home screen. Once you're there, look for the Join button. It's displayed on the main screen and is usually one of the easiest options to find. Click the Join button. A small window will appear asking you to enter either the meeting ID or the personal link name. These are the details shared by the meeting host so you can join the correct meeting. If you were given a meeting ID, enter it into the field. If you were given a personal link name instead, enter that. If you've copied the information, simply paste it into the box. If you're entering it manually, take a moment to make sure everything is typed correctly. Check that there aren't any extra spaces before or after the text, and make sure the characters match exactly. Once you've entered the meeting ID or personal link name, continue with the prompt. Zoom will use the information you entered to connect you to the correct meeting. If another prompt appears asking you to continue or proceed, simply follow it to enter the meeting. That's all you need to do when joining with the Join button. Now let's look at the second method, which is using a direct meeting link. If the meeting host sent you a clickable Zoom link, simply click that link. Your device will open Zoom and take you directly to the meeting. Depending on your device or system, you may see a confirmation asking if you want to open Zoom. If that appears, confirm the prompt, and Zoom will continue opening the meeting automatically. Using the direct meeting link means you don't need to type a meeting ID or personal link name, since the meeting information is already included in the link. To quickly review, there are two ways to log in to a Zoom meeting. The first option is to click Join from your Zoom workspace. Then enter the meeting ID or personal link name provided by the meeting host and continue through the prompts. The second option is to click the direct meeting link you received. Confirm the prompt if one appears, and Zoom will take you directly into the meeting. Keep the meeting details provided by the host available so you can enter them exactly as they were shared if you're using the Join option. If you're using the direct meeting link, simply click it and follow any confirmation prompt that appears. That's all it takes to log into a Zoom meeting. Thank you for watching.